Do you think say President John Mahama untwa teacher training in nursing student allowance omo de ma ni mu anase mu? Though in the manifesto of John Mahama prior to the 7 December elections, and say so nya akonya be president teacher training in nursing student allowance no untwam. But I'm sure pa say sa boshe we there is no way President John Mahama be this so. Actually, by the end of this year, allowance in there, I'm sure Panso between 50 Honorable Aaron Idrisu, by Minister of Education, Principal of the various colleges of education in Ghana, Enya Kunya, Ensiano, Tinania, no Mushiano, no more day in some had the colleges of education in the two or no Minister of Education in him. In some demo can be brief. A hompuna, Honorable Aaron Idrisu ka say, on Tiasi in Timpo as a buying a Tudiane, Edema, nursing teacher training student no moody.
But more importantly, you raise the issue of student allowances. It will continue subsequent to the education forum, for which I have the pleasure to invite you to come. We'll take some major decisions based on the recommendations, but off-head, there is no way you should be feeding a student at the tertiary level off-head. So we have to work out a transition from the allowance into an enhanced student loan for them to feed themselves. But in the interim, they will still get the allowances. Then just the next very few months going forward, subject to the recommendations of the committee. But I cannot conceive of a student in a higher education institution being fed. We can narrow feeding to basic and to free senior high school, but at the tertiary level, so they will still get enhanced student loans to be able to feed themselves. But in the interim, we will continue with the feeding and then phase out the allowance process, subject to the recommendations of the education forum. So we would do that.
Nyeteni say teacher trainees and nursing students no busum biara omo allowance of 400 Ghana cedis. Ntini ye the 400 cedis no ba say yemfa moma. Na the principals of the various colleges of education 200 Ghana cedis efim. Dia ye duane amon. And since the reintroduction of teacher training nursing student allowance no, aban no ntua on time. It made 3, 4, 5 months and some no tua sika no. So with this, the principals of the various colleges of education, they to the Minister of Education, who is in the person of Honorable Aaron Idrisu, say because of allowance some of them teacher trainees, a man here demand to feed the teacher trainees. Your message the Minister of Education say allowance is some of them students, bosom no swa, muntia, and you between you 200 cedis, to media prepared and the students. So based on that, the Minister of Education, Honorable Aaron Idrisu, say on TSC in Timpa. As I said, teacher trainees and as a nursing trainees, abide to the animal. Now, on 2nd February 2025, President John Mahama formed 8-member committee. Now, among 2 weeks, among Yanshi, now Mumbuja, no be beer rancher and Adrian Far Ghana Dusian, not be beer touch me beerano, or my beer found. The beer here reform, no, so no my reform. So, one mere uncle did the course between the Minister of Education and the principals of various colleges, Now, Honorable Idrisu catch on say, fortunately, NJBR will be educational forum. So, Obeton sa from na say do I drink Tribia on some war ever Ghana Dusian, no diaba. Na at the end of the day, no papa no may implement it. But on no Honorable Idrisu, the personal stand and say, on TSC in Timpo, as I say, teacher trainees and nursing students, are buying a the animal. So, indirectly, no, what say, say abide by my teacher trainees and nursing student allowance. Now this allowance ankasa in 1960 na the first president of Ghana, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah introduce ye. But time timpa Dr. Kwame Nkrumah de teacher training allowance by and say sambre no teacher training schools no na amanfo ni njimu. And because of that no teachers are Ghana be nya na ma kire yam kwala de na ye den. So through that na abide with the day Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ka say daddy as I say all the allowances we ban here be encourage amanfo no mako teacher training schools. Na at the end of the day ni teachers no ma kire yam mana de. Aside that no say teacher training allowance no ba umbenya bi dia to akadia so mu bi suade umbenya bi dia tuom school fees. So ene na butanti a the first president of Ghana Dr. Kwame Nkrumah de teacher training allowance here e de buy ena edidi mu to 2015 na the current president John Dramani Mahama Sambre no president na mpo ne vice president Gina na opoku ye the education minister omu twa allowances no. And the reason here in 2015 then President John Dramani Mahama ne the education minister currently oye the vice president no twem ni say omo say colleges of education no abeye tertiary and ebe hia say allowance no betwem na colleges of education is need to afa nipa dodo because omo allowances omo nipa dodo eso mo fa nti omo fa do sa nipa dodo na omo ntumi mfo bibiara biom. And ekoba ne sa na the number of teachers oman ni be hia no ma hire nkwala de no omo nya. Aside that crampo no ebi no so more interest to go to the colleges of education na at the end of the day mo be teachers no be dey amount because of allowance omo de mo teacher trainees na omo de kuta to ni na accounting na the president of that time currently the president team. Nti no prior to the 2016 elections na former president Nana Addo Akufo-Addo share bosses unya akonya be the president of Ghana allowance the then president John Dramani Mahama team obesan so dia back na Nyankopon ya adom on 7 January 2016 former president Nana Addo Akufo-Addo vini na fast forward mo swing in no san so introduce teacher trainees ni nursing student allowance no back. But first no teacher trainees ni nursing student allowance no omo tua no mere aban etua aban edwumafo ni naraka. So ye ntua aban edwumafo ka ansa no be tua teacher trainee nursing student allowance. They pay all the allowances plus the government workers sika at the same time. But former president Nana Addo Akufo-Addo introduce you do it maybe 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. And sign allowance from which so much they don't pay all. They say 5 arrears, I'm to 2 and I said 3. And no didi ma former president Nana Addo Akufo-Addo the term of office abe wi na mpo o man to abama ne party, that's New Patriotic Party. Na president bi amere bi o twa allowance no asan so aba back as the president now, who is in the person of John Dramani Mahama. And omere omo ye campaign punu some of him semini bia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kind say Ghana former president John Dramani Mahama akonya free SHS no betwem teacher trainees and nursing student allowance no so betwem. Na fast forward the education minister honorable Aaron Idris say on tiase ni ntimpo as say abaya no to aduane ma nursing student ni teacher trainee student. And as I'm speaking crampo there's 8-member committee President John Dramani Mahama eyom say omo nya nhihye na mbodwa na obi biara mbe kire na adwen efa Ghana ya disua ho na mpo bebi ese omo ye nsakra bi no maye. And policy like free SHS, teacher trainees and nursing student allowance no by all means omo ka ho asem. And there's no way they will recommend say they should continue paying teacher trainees and nursing student allowance. By and large it will be cancelled. Aside that one, free SHS and also by all means entirely cry, they will do something about it. And sure, boarding students, light bill, water bill, and other bills, they might tell them to pay. So do you think Kimbo say teacher training allowance and also aside that, after the end of education forum, do you foresee say free SHS, maybe they will ask the boarding student to pay feeding fee, light bill, water bill? Share in your comment section. We best say share in your comment section. Subscribe to channel means so I like comment. Na share video more for you that say